Grabe to guys, bagong pasabog na naman. Meron na namang bagong spokesperson yung House of Representatives. Bago to, wala naman to dati, di ba? Kailangan talaga, pinaghandaan talaga nila, no? Grabe. Si anak pa talaga ni Benny Abante. Grabe, si Princess Abante daw. Ito, panoorin natin
I'm Attorney Princess Abante. I believe I will assume starting today as House spokesperson. I will be working closely with all of our media friends here sa House to give the official statements from the House leadership, give updates sa mga exciting times that we are looking forward here sa Congress in the next coming months.
Is this the first time na magkakaroon ng spokesperson ng House?
As far as I know, yes, na merong hiwalay na spokesperson for the House aside from the members of the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, ano yung nag-raise ng need for this?
Madami na kasi din tinatalakay ngayon ng mga issues ang Kongreso, the various committees. There's a need to strengthen the communication mula sa House to ensure yung tama at makatotohanang impormasyon ay naibababa natin sa mamamayan. Ayaw talaga natin ng fake news, no? Kaya kailangan mas maging maayos yung mga pagpapaliwanag natin ng mga polisiya na binabalangkas ng Kongreso.
Sino nag-tap sa inyo? Sino po nag-tap sa inyo, ma'am?
Well, I've been working with the House since my father was elected as congressman. I think I've worked with several of you when he was the minority leader, and even in his capacity now as chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, I have worked with a lot of our media friends, and also during my stint as the official spokesperson of Mayor Hani Lacuna, I've worked with many of our media friends who are also assigned here sa Congress. No? So recently, House leadership has asked me if I would be interested in joining the communications team to help deliver accurate, transparent, and truthful information for the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, is it Speaker Romualdez?
I haven't spoken with the Speaker himself. I have spoken with the House leaderships in the communication.
Ma'am, of course, itong appointment mo sa spokesperson comes at a very high time na, of course, maraming binabato sa House of Representatives. Maraming criticisms regarding, of course, how are you going to approach this job, especially sa mga critics ng House of Representatives po?
What I intend to do is to just deliver truthful statements as much as possible, mas maintindihan.
Siguraduhin mo hindi katulad kay Claire Castro, ha? Baka another attack dog na naman to eh.
Hindi lang ng mga kaibigan natin sa media, kundi mga mamamayan din mismo, mahimay natin ang mga impormasyon na mas maiintindihan ng tao kung ano tong mga polisiya na sinusulong ng Kongreso at para saan at bakit nakakabuti to sa mamamayan at sa buong bansa.
Ma'am,
Coverage ng role nyo, 19th and 20th Congress.
Well, right now, I'm still working on the 19th Congress. As we end the 19th Congress, I'm looking forward to working with all of you as we transition to the 20th Congress.
Ma'am, are you going to be a more patolera kind of spokesperson? I mean, of course, ma'am, binabanatan sa House of Representatives. I mean, minsan below the belt, minsan fake news. Tayo po ba maging parang patolera na spokesperson?
I don't understand yung patolera na spokesperson. I understand na we need to have an effective communicator, and that's what I intend to do with the help of all of you, of course.
Sir, ma'am, sorry. How will you communicate with us, House media? Are you going to hold regular press conference?
We're working po on how we will schedule, if there's a need to conduct regular briefings. But I think a lot of you has worked with me, both sa Congress with Congressman Abante and Mayor Hani. You know how accessible I am, no? And I will try to answer your questions as soon as I have the information to answer them.
Covered niyo rin po yung impeachment trial.
Not necessarily the impeachment trial. I think, of course, as part of the House, we would have the general information of what will happen sa impeachment proceedings. But on
Kahit yun naman talaga yung totoo niyan, di ba? Nire-ready talaga nila yan for the impeachment trial naman talaga eh.
I think the day-to-day, I believe that they will also have their own spokesperson or people that will be authorized to speak about the day-to-day and the details of the impeachment trial.
Yes, Kutira spokes of Mayor Lacuna, paano po kayo nag-prepare para po dito sa mas malaki role niyo po sa spokes sa House?
Definitely being part of the City of Manila, its communication team has napakalaki ng sakop ng lungsod ng Maynila at napakalaki ng trabaho na napagkatiwala kay Mayor Hani during her term. Napakalaking bagay yon to prepare me, especially in meeting all of our media friends and understanding how we need to communicate, not just to the media, but also to the public.
Where will your office be attached to? Will it be under the Speaker's office or will it be an independent and under the institution itself?
Right now, under
So hanggang dyan na lang tayo guys kasi alam nyo dong, hindi naman talaga siya masyadong, alam mo yung, para sa akin, hindi talaga ako masyadong interesado sa mga ganyang bagay kasi alam mo yung ginagawa lang nilang ano yung mga iba na namang